Brain power and age. Science experts now do not believe that our brain speed becomes slower from the age of 20. Until now, they thought our brain power is at its best at the age of 20 and slows down after that. Researchers said older people do not need to worry about forgetfulness. Understanding skills are still powerful at the age of 60. The researchers said their results showed that mental speed is fast and the ability to make decisions does not become lower until late in people's lifespan. The study used data on people's age between 10 and 80. It showed that mental speed is the same until 60, but decline after then. The mental processing speed becomes higher in people in their 20s and remains high until 60. A researcher said until older adulthood, the speed of information processing almost does not change. He said older people take longer to make decisions because they are more careful. Brain power and age. Scientists in Germany have cast doubt on a previously believed assumption that the processing speed of our brain starts to decline from the age of 20. Until now, it has been thought that our cognition level peaks when we are 20 and declines thereafter. Lead researcher Dr. Misha von Cross of Heidelberg University offered hope to older people who worry about increasing forgetfulness or reduced brain power. He said cognitive skills were still powerful at the age of 60 and did not diminish before then. He wrote, "Our finding is encouraging as our results show that average levels in mental speed in context demanding fast and forced decisions did not decline until relatively late in the lifespan." The study was based on data from over 1.1 million people aged between 10 and 80 years old. The results show that our mental processing speed remains relatively constant until the age of 60, but does start to decline from our seventh decade. The researchers said people's mental processing speed actually increases in their 20s and remains high until 60. Dr. Von Cross said, until older adulthood, the speed of information processing in the task we studied barely changed. He added that older people do take longer to make decisions, but said this was because we become more cautious and less impulsive and reckless as we age. The study could cast light on neurodegenerative disease such as Alzheimer's.